here is your spacious living and dining area. You can see your kitchen is also very spacious, and this over here is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Embassy Park by Embassy Development Limited, located in Panvel. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Right behind me, you can see the main entrance to the project and the towers of the project. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. The road to the right leads you directly to Lonavala. And from the left, you can go to Old Mumbai-Pune Expressway and Panvel railway station. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now we are standing inside the land parcel of the project. Also around me you can have a look at all the towers of the project, the towers that are delivered, the towers that are under construction, and you can also have a look at the whole of the land parcel of the project. Now, talking about project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 28 acres that will have 14 towers of ground plus 37 story, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residential. And now, speaking of amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities. As you can see in the model, it will have a tennis court, basketball court, multi-purpose court, outdoor gym, kids play area, swimming pool, clubhouse, cafe, mini theatre, rooftop garden, multi-purpose lawn, and many more amenities within the project. And now, speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located off Old Mumbai-Pune highway, from where Panvel railway station is at a distance of 15 minutes, Old Mumbai-Pune highway is at a distance of 500 meters, Navi Mumbai International Airport is at a distance of 15 minutes, Atal Setu is at a distance of 20 to 25 minutes drive, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's have a look at the sample flat. And now we are entering the 2 BHK of the residential project Embassy Park. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 887 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can see your living is very spacious. You can easily place your large size sofas, center table, and customize a very beautiful TV unit. Also attached to your living, you will be getting a very spacious balcony where you can place your swings, tea tables or tea chairs. You can see your balcony is also very spacious, where easily 5 to 6 people can stand at the very same time. Also, let me tell you that we are standing at the actual tower of the project, so you can have a look at the actual view. You can also see the actual land parcel where the construction is in full swing. Moving forward, over here we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your friends and family. On the left, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can see your kitchen is also very spacious. You can easily customize your lower and your upper cabinets. You have space provided to place your refrigerator as well. And again, you have a dry space provided where you can place your washing machine. Now let's move to the other side of the apartment where we have your bedrooms. Over here we have the entrance to both your bedrooms and your common washroom. First, on this side we have your common washroom. that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Opposite to your common washroom is a first bedroom. As we enter, you can see this bedroom is very spacious. You can place your king size bed along with your side tables. You will be getting vitrified tiles in this bedroom as well. You have walkable space, and also you will be getting half French windows with glass facade, and below that you have storage space provided where you can customize and build some cabinets as well. Now, before moving towards the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's enter into the master bedroom. As we enter into the master bedroom, you can see the bedroom is very spacious, the foyer area is very spacious, and on the right you have wardrobe space provided so that you can get a beautiful walk-in wardrobe look. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king size bed with your side tables. You can see you have plenty of walkable space. You will have this walkable space even after placing all your furniture, as this bedroom is very spacious, and again you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for your safety and beautiful standing balcony views. And in this corner we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Embassy Park by Embassy Development Limited. And if you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Embassy Park by Embassy Development Limited located in Panvel.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.